Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Rent Cafe quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Rent Cafe, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Rent Cafe in the address bar and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the sign in page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your login credentials, click the Sign In button. If you've successfully logged in, you will be directed to your Rent Cafe dashboard. To set up notifications, find the Settings icon on your dashboard. Click on the Settings icon to access your notification preferences. Here, you can customize how you receive updates and alerts from Rent Cafe. To view your payment history, navigate to the Payments section in the dashboard. Click on the Payments section to review past transactions and due dates. If you need to make a payment, find the Make Payment option. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information and complete the transaction. For any technical issues, scroll down to the footer and click on the Help link. This will direct you to the Rent Cafe support page, which offers FAQs and contact options. You can also access community features by clicking on the Community tab. Here, you can connect with other users and join discussions. Remember to log out after your session for security purposes. Click on the profile icon and select Logout to securely exit your account. You're now ready to make the most of Rent Cafe's features and services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.